Let's take a look at assistantship salaries versus fellowship stipends in this quick clip with the CSU Office of Sponsored Programs. When developing sponsored budgets, careful consideration should be taken to properly categorize student hires. Categorization impacts fringe benefits, tuition remission, and allowable costs for these roles, and ensures that students receive the institutional benefits to which they are entitled. Firstly, assistantships provide salaries for specific work. At CSU, graduate research assistants are often funded by sponsored projects, whereas graduate teaching assistants and graduate service assistants are typically funded by the institution. Students on assistantships are employees of CSU, and their work is tied to their discipline or a particular line of research, which is reviewed and certified in the Effort Certification System, ECERT. Work on assistantships primarily benefits the project and/or the institution. GRAs on sponsored projects should be budgeted under personnel with related fringe benefits. Remission of base tuition is considered a fringe benefit. Generally, graduate differential tuition, though, is not covered, but verify current policies on the graduate school website for the applicable graduate program. On the other side, fellowship stipends support the student in their pursuit of learning, whether in the classroom or in tandem with a project. Unlike assistantships, fellows are not considered CSU employees and are compensated via stipend rather than wages. Additionally, the role primarily benefits the fellow. Depending on the terms and conditions, fellowships may include additional funds to pay for items such as textbooks, housing, tuition, travel, insurance, or other costs related to education and/or training in a particular area. Since fellowship stipends are not typically driven by hours and effort worked, they are not part of CSU's definition of institutional base salary, and therefore not reflected on the quarterly effort statements and certified in ECERT. For additional fellowship support, visit OSP's guidance webpage. Thank you for partnering with the Office of Sponsored Programs here at Colorado State University.